What did I buy? Alright, back with more of my haul, because apparently I just keep buying more nail things, so just wanted to show you guys what I got. What did I buy? I did the whole Amazon thing where you can like schedule your whole delivery on one day. That way you don't end up with more packages than you need. Because I have been getting so many boxes. And I'm like, you know what? They can all come on Thursday. I don't care. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. So I tried out lashes for my wedding, like they put lashes on, and I thought they were really cool. So apparently I bought the glue twice, but in black and clear. So I bought this like, is it Ardell or is this Kiss? It's Kiss. So this Kiss lash glue that was recommended in some Facebook group that I'm in, and it comes with like a whole kit and everything. I have an order from Ardell coming. But to the nail stuff, I restocked on gloves because I use pink gloves all the time. I love the pink ones, the black ones from Pink, no, it's not called Pink Paws, from Mar. They do stuff for like, I don't know if it's for nail techs only or is it for hairstylists? I think it's hairstylists, but I love using these gloves. And I told y'all after I was like using the black ones, I was like, oh my gosh, the camera kept picking up the black ones and focusing on that, and it messes up the lighting so bad. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy new gloves. So that's exactly what I did. So I need to wear gloves, especially when I'm doing press-on nails for my business and I'm using gel. I have done it before where I'm not wearing gloves while I'm like working with the gel, and the gel gets on my skin and I end up with an allergic reaction, and I can't film for a couple days because I have bumps and lumps and irritation all over my skin because I chose not to wear gloves. If y'all don't know, I'm allergic to certain gels when they're uncured. When they're cured and on press-ons, I'm fine. But if they're uncured and come into contact with my skin, like near my like cuticle areas, especially my thumb is like the most impacted, that is like the worst reaction for me. So I ordered this gel polish set from Amazon from Gel Like, and it was because the press-on artist by Chloe Nails, I believe it was her that recommended them, and it comes in a range set of like 6 nudes, and it's not your traditional like white girl nudes, which is exactly what I was looking for. So it's in a darker range. It looks really light washed, probably because of my lighting here, but they're actually darker. So let me show you the darkest color in this set. So that's a very gorgeous chocolate color. That is gorgeous. And then I'm going to show you the lightest color in the set. That is the lightest nude, and that's nowhere near my skin tone. And I also bought the Color Extend Gel, Nude Extend Gel from Apres, and the range is very versatile in my opinion. So you have Sasha, Insatiable, Ariel, I think Ariel's the lightest, Jessica, Carla, and Roxy. So it is an interesting range of Extend Gels. So I'm going to swatch these two and put them on my website as well. But I wanted a range of color nudes that customers of mine can buy or like order if they want a nude that's going to go with like their skin tone. More colors to offer more of like a wider color representation on my website. So, and by the way, not a lot of gel polish companies have nudes, or they'll have like your typical Rebel Nail Erica nude, but they don't have the rest of the nude collection. Like, I actually think Rebel has a great selection of nudes in dip powder form, but I don't know if they made them in gel polish. I'll have to check because I would like to order those too. I'm not done yet. I bought more things. Have y'all seen Rebel's Twisted Tea Party collection? First of all, isn't the packaging just so freaking adorable? It came in this really incredibly sturdy box. I actually haven't even opened it. But the back shows you like all the colors, which is pretty neat. So it tells you the color and the description. That one's a color changer. How do you open this? Oh man. Oh! Ta-da! That's how you open it. Okay, okay. Oh, that's actually nice. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Focus. Focus. Okay. I like that. That is pretty. I just called purple pretty. What is wrong with me? Oh, that's a nice orange. Oh, I need to do some fruit sets. It'd be funny if they called this one mint tea, like tea, T-E-A, because it's Twisted Tea Party. Get it? What is the name? Mint condition. You had the perfect opportunity. This one's called split tea. The orange one is called split tea. Curtsy, please. Not sure why they call this curtsy. I guess you're supposed to be a proper lad and lady. Okay, that's pretty. That goes well with the glittery purple that I just showed y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like Bob from Bob's Burgers. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so, okay. That's not bad. I like that. Chartreuse green would have been better with this collection, if you ask me. Y'all should just ask me, because I'm buying it. So, who better to ask than the people buying it? Okay, life pro tip, if you want to save money, just don't watch my videos and stay off the internet so you don't fall for all the advertisements like I do. So I bought some DMD gel polishes, just five, not the whole thing. But I did buy their swatch thing because going on my whole nude thing. By the way, you notice there's not a lot of dark nudes on this? Yeah, playing off what I was saying earlier, just saying. Maybe they're on a different one. I forgot the name of this collection, but it's actually a whole collection. But I keep seeing ads for D&D, and I know that Callie Marie uses them. I know Miranda's Nail Creations, she's into their stuff too. She wants to try some of their stuff. And like, her and I've gone back and forth, and I'm like, it's tempting. So I actually ended up buying it, and be careful when you cut into your packages so you don't cut the bottles like I just did. But I got 5 of their, I think they're called like French tip bases. I don't know. But I want to try them out. I want to try new gels. Alright, so for this next package, it is huge. It is Dr. Prince & Co. And you already know, they're a card game company. Well. Oh shit. I just got all the things. All the things. So the very first thing I want to talk about is their expansion pack. It's their second expansion pack. I think the name of the artist is Nailed It by Chelsea. Chelsea's Nails, something of that nature. I'm sorry, I'm butchering her stuff. It's totally like a throwback to 90s kids daydream. So yeah, also how cute is that vellum paper? Like that would be so cute to recreate as like an ombre with butterflies all over it. Major inspo right there. They sell empty boxes for their cards, like plain boxes. I needed a new box to put this stuff in, and I didn't want to put it in just any random old box. And they also came out with their packaging and their branding. Like, come on. All right, what else did they come out with? All right, so this is an accessory. I know I'm going a million miles a minute, but this is an accessory. It's called nanny bands. So what they're supposed to do is be able to wrap around a card game. So like, you have color palettes. Did I just buy color palettes? Oh no, it's a bundle. So there's art theme and color palette. So there's 2 in here, 4 total. And it's basically to hold your cards together. It's a band to go around them. You don't want to wrap them in rubber bands. So that's why I got those. But then they also came out with another really cool thing. They also have mani coats, meaning the clear sleeves to put the cards in. I tried finding other kinds on Amazon. Let me show you. Did find other sleeves on Amazon, and they're called Mayday Games. They're like card game sleeves, and they're super duper thin. Super duper thin. I feel like, yeah, it would protect my cards, especially the original game I got from Dr. Prince & Co. Isn't the same material as their newer stuff. I feel like their newer paper got really, really, like, more coated, like it's more soft. It doesn't give you that traditional paper feel. But let me show you how one of these mani coats work. So the original card game is in this beautiful packaging. The quality, like, of the paper, it's not that smooth, sleek of their new paper. It's not super, super smooth. It's very, very thick, but it's more matte. It's matte paper. So that's why I bought the coats, the mani coats. Look at that. That is thick, thick. That is why I bought the mani coats. So I plan on, I think I bought 80, 80 mani coats so I can put the original game inside of these sleeves and keep them nice and protected. So yes, you can laminate them, use any other sleeve that you want, whatever the case may be, but I wanted to buy their stuff because it felt like it was higher quality than what I was buying off of Amazon. So I mean, you can absolutely, if you wanted to go the other route and buy the cheaper stuff, which I think was like $5 or $6 for 100 pack of these from Amazon, whereas these are definitely a pretty penny. But it was like a no-brainer for me when I was thinking about buying the mani coats for my cards. I was like, I want to protect these cards. They're not cheap. They're very, very unique. So I wanted to keep mine protected. So no acetone, no gel polish, none of that. I mean, I don't really keep my cards out on my nail desk or anything, but I still wanted to give them that extra layer of protection. Now I understand why people who do like trading cards and card games, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, all those things, I totally understand why they get card protectors. I'm like, I have to protect my cards. It makes sense now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these in sleeves and I'll be right back. Okay, bye. Me also show you these bad boys from Deco Miami. Oh my gosh, this video is gonna go on forever. So it's Deco Beauty. They used to be called Deco Miami. They changed their name to Deco Beauty. So this is just a regular sticker sheet. You can do whatever you want with it. I think it's really beautiful that they have all the skin types here. So it's not just one skin type. And I love that they did it in pink too. So you got this, yeah, let me stop. Let me get to the real stickers. The real stickers that I bought specifically so that I can do really cool sets with them, okay? So let me show you. The very first one is called Lulas. And you got boba tea, band-aids, cute little yin-yang symbols, more cherries, which is perfect because I'm obsessed with cherries for summer. You can do these on like French tips, little aliens. This one's called Wildflower, and I've been so obsessed with like the look of mushrooms. I literally got, for one of our wedding gifts, I got a little thing off of Amazon. It's a cat scratcher. Yeah, I am not ashamed of this. Not ashamed. I added this to our wedding registry, and I'm so happy that someone bought it for us. Actually, almost all the cat things people bought for us, and I'm so happy. They're so freaking cute. Our cats love cat scratchers, and they use them all the time. So if I'm going to have these in my house, at least they should look cute. And they come in so many different styles. We used to have the cactus ones. They, like, destroyed them because they use them so much. We actually currently have a palm tree leaf one as well in our house. It's not this exact one, but it's something like it. But yeah, there's so many different cute styles. Mushrooms in gray, brown. That is really adorable. There's a carrot. Yeah, there's so many cute cat accessories out there now, and I really, really appreciate that, like the cat addict that I am. Okay, so moving on. Yeah, these are beautiful. So this has you got more cherries, but the cherries look different than these cherries. Like, they're more dainty. So the fruit is different. You can tell this is like more hyper realistic type of fruit, in my opinion. And are those hydrangeas? I'm thinking these are hydrangeas, but I'm not entirely sure. But the lemons are so cute. Are those shrimps? Oh my god, there's little shrimps on here. And little chickens, like a pink and white chicken. And you got horsies and all that stuff. So yeah, there's a huge variety on here. This one's perfect for Valentine's Day season, but also if you're into like hot and spicy and all that. You have dice, or no, dominoes, sorry. I'm like, why did I call those dice? Because it's black and white. All these little hearts and stars, more snakes, tons of snakes. Another totally retro thing is called Sunny Side Up. I think it's because it has like the eggs and the avocados, but I love that it has sushi and stuff. Totally like 90s vibe, in my opinion, with the trolls and the smiley faces. I mean, is Walmart's logo still the smiley face, or did Walmart completely go away from that branding? Because when I was growing up, that's all I remember is that smiley face. The checkered set, really cute. I love the black and white mushrooms. Again, like I said, I'm obsessed with mushrooms as of lately. You have the Art Deco set, which is really, really beautiful. You can do so much with this sheet. I love that they have like leopards. Are those leopards? Cheetahs? Something. You got pelicans here. Before I get to this set, I'm going to show you guys this one. I had them added onto my order. Is Halloween, you guys. Halloween! I'm obsessed. Look, the spider webs in gold. Like, these stickers are so small, they can work on the smallest of nails, and I appreciate that so much. So freaking much. I think that's what like really drew me to this company as well. So if you look at the comparison in size and sticker size of the ones I got off of Shein versus these are so much smaller, incredibly small. So I feel like they will work on the smallest of nails. So if you guys have kids or you just have small nails yourself, I think that will be incredible. And then this one, so I don't know if you guys follow the press on nail artist by Chloe Nails on Instagram. She's an incredible press-on artist. She uses these all the time. So I was like, I love the work she does with this sticker sheet in particular, and I have not been able to find anywhere. I've like hunted high and low to try to find jewels this small, because I had a customer a couple months ago who wanted to like bedazzle her set, and the stuff I had usually comes in like things like this from Amazon, but even the smallest sizes were massive. So I was like, I want to add jewels to my customers' orders. There's like, the sky's the limit. So I don't think using stickers like this is cheating in terms of nail art. It's literally an accessory. It's no different than putting a gem or one of those big fat bows, those big really huge gems that people do on their nail art, like those trinkets. I don't know what to call them. And just like, it's literally an accessory, and if you struggle with nail art, this might be a really fun option to add to your sets. If you have small nails, I know there's a lot of us out there. If you have tiny nail beds and you struggle finding stickers or even stamping plates, I have stamping plates. I just got an order from Talia's nail shop, Canadian shop, with a ton of stamping plates. Like you can see right here, there's a bunch of stamping plates in there, but yeah, so if stamping plates are too large for your fingers, you might want to consider shopping at Deco Miami or Deco Beauty, because like I said, they changed their branding. So they're Deco Miami, but they're also known as Deco Beauty. So yeah, that is my tangent for the day. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will link everything down in the description box. And yeah, let me know what you loved most about this haul. If you like these tangents I'm going off on in this haul. I'm excited for you for Halloween. Ooh, oh my god.